How's it going, Ecomi and Veve community? It is OhmDawg coming at you with a price action update, and today it is a big day. It is September 1st. It is the end of Marble Month. If you're new, welcome. I appreciate you stopping by, and if you're returning, I appreciate you stopping by again. And anyway, so we got relatively some good stuff going on within price action. So without further ado, I do want to announce real quick before we jump into the price action. I do want to eventually start splitting up these price action videos and creating more content. So I guess it'd technically be 2 price action videos. We'll start covering price action on the collectibles and comic side to the best of our ability. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump to throw up the disclaimer. This is not financial advice. This video is for educational purposes only. Trading with money involves risk, and I am not responsible for any decisions you make based off this information. Jump to the charts. So in the past few days, we've seen the market obviously print straight up, kind of like we were talking about. We do want to mention there was a sell-off right here. I think it was 80 million OMI sold right here. It was a sharp sell, and the candle still came back and closed bearish. And we've obviously printed up since then, and swept this high that we've had marked. So we can go ahead and mark that off. So that's off on the books. I'm sorry. There we go. We are screwing up. So market is sweeping up. So that could tell us 2 things. That could tell us that we are the market still wants to take these highs currently, or it's just kind of like an upward motion from here. But that would be sharp. Let's see. So I do want to pay attention to this candle. Let me draw. Come on. Y'all know how I feel about the the gate tools. Even though it's technically TradingView, it just feels weird sometimes. I don't know. I'm gonna fill that. Anyway, y'all get the idea. This area right here, I want to see if price. It's significant to me. We're gonna keep it that way. We are on the 4-hour chart as well, but I'm gonna grab the brush. Alright, so as of now, since we are sweeping, we want to see if price, how price reacts back down into this area. So this area is the, the 3168. We just want to keep an eye on that, and I guess 3122. We want to keep an eye on that area and see how price reacts. So this is another one of those kind of moments last time, kind of like this price action right here, this price action right here, and I think this price action right here. Just different times when we've looked at certain areas. Oops. I'm sorry. So yeah, I'm struggling today, everybody. Anyway, so let's see how price starts reacting. I obviously want to see maybe even a few more pushes up. I'm going to check on the 1 hour real quick. Yeah, see this sharp selling price action right here. On the lower time frames, we can obviously see something like there we go. Alright. we want to see this market, obviously from here we've got something we want to see the market start to trade up a little bit higher, possibly above these highs, even a sweep above this one. And then we want to see a sharp sell off relatively out of here. So it looks like we have already went down into this area. I actually haven't looked yet this far down. I've only been on the daily and 4 hour, as you've seen. We have already kind of reacted back down off of it, so let's see what we're gonna do. I'm going to mark these highs as well. I'm sorry, those squiggly lines. It's gonna bother me. There we go. Alright. That actually looks good. It looks like we're already printing upside targets. So we do want to see price continue to trade higher from here. Personally, on the lower time frame, let's keep in mind, let's keep a weekly candlestick. Oh goodness. Let's keep a weekly candlestick. Gosh, I can't wait till Gates data is on TradingView. Good lord. Yeah, I want to see this weekly candlestick print up a little higher, and then I think personally back down. If it doesn't sweep this within the weekly candle and it closes bullish, then we could continue to obviously see this string of bullish candles continue to open and close higher on the higher time frames. So that's something to keep an eye out for. But for now, we want to pay attention to the lower time frame and what's happening on the downside. There we go. So yeah, that's pretty much it on this side. I'm gonna go ahead and draw up kind of my biases real quick. So we obviously already got that touch in here. So we kind of want to see price trade higher from here within the day. It could even kind of consolidate here and continue to build liquidity, but I generally think it's going to go higher from here and continue to, in my opinion, distribute price. But I don't know, it's still a little tad too early to tell. I would like to see how price reacts again around here if it does. And if price happens to just go through this area to the downside, we could expect lower time frame pull up and then starting to break down and go for these lows that we've printed previously in the week. And yeah, so that's pretty much it on the price action side. Did just want to throw up, it was all the way up 772 million OMI today, or 772,663,007 million OMI today, and this in the August 31st 24-hour period of the last day of Marvel month. So that's pretty cool. And also follow me on Twitter. My name is OhmDawg. This is my first, I don't really use Twitter all that much, so this is all just for strictly OMI stuff. And yeah, catch me there. Hopefully we can start updating videos and stuff like that through Twitter. So with that being said, everybody, this is OhmDawg coming at you with another price action update, and we're going to get on and record this Ecomi wiki video for you real quick. So yeah, see y'all in the next one. Peace.